Hi, welcome again. Here we go. This is rule 4 of being a great English language learner. And today we're talking about note taking. Note taking is one of the very, very important things we do when we're learning something. And I found all my best students are really good note takers. And let's think. The first thing that you need to remember is you don't take notes for today. You take notes for tomorrow and beyond. If your notes that you've made today are cramped, don't have good headings, all jumbled up together, one subject after another, when you come back and look at those notes in 2 months, 3 months' time, when you need them, you won't be able to make any sense out of them. So today we're going to talk about how to make really good notes. So first of all, pens. When you go to a lesson, you should have 3 different color pens. And you should have a selection of highlighters, so that you can write things in different colors, so that you can highlight the important things. Every new subject deserves a new page. This is only paper we're talking about. It grows on trees, literally. Don't be afraid to use it. New subject, new page. Every subject gets a big heading at the top of the page. Leave spaces, white space, between your notes. Don't cram all your notes up together into a block of text. It's very difficult for you to revise it afterwards. Spread out. And on that note of spreading out, in your lesson, you should have one of these. This is an A4 notebook. This is the size of notebook you need in your class. This is an A5 notebook. You also need one of these in class, but not for your main notes. I'll come into that in a minute. So, how many notebooks do you need? You need 2 of these. One at home, one in class. And you need one of these in class with you all the time. So this is how it works. You take your notes in the class in this. When you get home, you move your notes over to another one of these. You tidy them up. You use different colours. In the rewriting of your notes, you understand what you learnt even more. Yes, it's extra time, but bear in mind, you should do at least the same hours of work at home as you have lessons in class. If you want to progress, this is the best way to do it. So rewrite your notes, make sure they're neat and tidy, make sure you can understand it, make sure there is plenty of space, make sure there is a heading at the top of the page. So when you flick through in months to come, you can find exactly what you're looking for. You can find it quickly and easily, and then you can read through it. Your A5 book. This is your vocabulary notebook. Every time you go to class, you're going to learn new words, new phrases. You need to document all of them in here. When you get home, you write your list in class of all your new vocabulary for that day. When you get home, you need to make sure that you have the meaning of your new word, either a translation or a description, and create a sentence using the word. Because only then you start to use it, the vocabulary gets in here and sticks. Your selection of notebooks is one of your most precious possessions. Don't underestimate the power of really good notes. And always remember, you don't take notes for today. It's not just scribbling down. You take notes to look back on in the future. Your future self, when you're looking for notes on a particular subject, will thank your today self for being so clear in your note taking so that it's easy to understand. Learning is a serious subject, and if you don't take it seriously, then you're not going to progress. So notebooks, very important thing. Next week we're going to talk about handouts and the famous John Freeman plastic folder, and I'll see you then. Thank you.